Those were just our nila wafers on our pizza pan, and we do need the family size. Next, I'm coming in with my Reese's minis, and I like the minis because they are unwrapped, and we're placing one mini Reese's onto each of our nila wafers for this super easy, delicious treat. This is gonna be just a few ingredients, and it's gonna be so easy. Anyone can make it, and it's gonna be so tasty. The kids can help you make it. It's just such a fun activity, and you get a nice, tasty treat that everyone loves. So we're just gonna quickly put our Reese's cups right on top of our nila wafers. Smells good already. Okay, we're just putting our last few Reese's on here. And if you don't like peanuts or you're allergic, you can use Rolos. All right, now we're just gonna quickly pop this in the oven at a low temp for just a few minutes so that those Reese's can melt. All right, these were only in the oven for 2 minutes, and you can tell that they're nice and melted because they're shiny and kind of deflated. Now we're gonna quickly come in with another nila wafer, and we are going to smush that Reese's down just like so. And we wanna make sure that we do this super fast so that those Reese's don't start to harden, but we're making a little sandwich. We're kind of inspired by an American classic. These are gonna taste so yummy, especially if you love Reese's cups, which I am always a fan of Reese's cups. They were my favorite candy, especially around Halloween, and now I get to enjoy them in many other ways. But we are gonna sandwich all of these cookies super fast, and that is why we needed the family size nila wafers. So let's get to it. Okay, we are putting our last few nila wafer cookies on here. I am so excited. These are going to be great as a little treat for a kid's birthday or just for snacking because they last a while in the fridge. Doing our last little cracker. I'm trying to grab the ones that aren't as broken up, but that is perfect. Now we're gonna throw these into the fridge for about 5 minutes just so they can harden up. Our nila wafer sandwiches are still in the fridge. I'm grabbing a small bowl and I have my Hershey's milk chocolate chips, and we're gonna add a generous amount of those, about 3/4 a bag. And then we're gonna grab our Reese's peanut butter chips and do 3/4 a bag of that. Perfect. And now this is gonna go into the microwave for 30-second increments until it's all melted. All right, that looks perfect. It melted for about 2 minutes, and I did bring out our little Reese's sandwiches, and we're gonna instantly grab one and dip it into our chocolate, just like so. It's gonna be a nice thick layer because of that peanut butter. And then I have a sheet pan lined with parchment paper that we can quickly place our covered little Reese's snacks onto. One more super quick, and then we're gonna grab a topping before these start to harden. So after you've done about 4 of these little sandwiches, pat, 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 and place. It's time for the fun part, which is our sprinkles. I'm doing this super quick with these 4 because that chocolate is gonna harden super fast. Now the sprinkles are optional. You could do some diced nuts. You could do whatever you like as a topping of sea salt, but we're gonna go ahead and finish up coating these little treats. All right, we're just putting 8 on here because we don't want our little treats to touch and get stuck together. I have a couple other sheet pans already lined with parchment paper, but we'll do that off camera. And these are gonna go back into the fridge until that outer layer is hardened. All right, our first batch of our peanut butter patty tag-along Girl Scout cookie dupes are ready. Yes, you heard that right. These are gonna taste just like those peanut butter patties that the Girl Scouts sell. You know, it is June, so you cannot find those anywhere. So we had to make our own. Oh my goodness, they look so good, and I know they're just gonna taste amazing. We made about 2 dozen of these, but let's go ahead and give one a try. I'm so excited. I love peanut butter. That is delicious.